In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix DoorDash not getting any orders. Let's get started. First, make sure your dash is active and not paused. Open the Dasher app and confirm that you are currently dashing. Then check your internet connection and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, if you are using VPN, disable it as these can interfere with app's connection. Next, try moving closer to a hotspot or an area with several busy restaurants. Hotspots can indicate areas with higher order activity, although they don't guarantee that you'll receive an order. You can also try dashing during lunch or dinner hours when customer demand may be higher. If your current area has too many dashers, moving to another nearby zone may also help. You should also check whether the Dasher app needs an update. So you can head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Dasher app. If you see the option of update, click on it. If you are still not receiving orders, restart the phone. If the problem continues, completely delete the Dasher app. For that person, hold on the app, select remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Dasher app and install it. Finally, remember that not receiving orders does not always mean there is a problem with your account. Sometimes demand is simply low or there are too many dashers online. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.